Hello everyone, thanks for joining my session. This is Sohan. This is Dr. Sohan Notial, PMP certified, and so I would be talking about closure of the project or different phases. So in that during that time, what are the things we ensure that we are taking care? Below in detail. And before that, I would be sharing in the PPT. As uh, as part of this closure of this project, let me open in PPT format. Stop. Yeah. As part of this, uh, during the closure of the project, what are the things we ensure? And as part of the closure of the project or phase process involves finalizing all activities related to both successful and unsuccessful projects, or it could be phases, releases, or iteration, or contract. Then during this, one has to take care, ensure all documents and deliverables are updated and all issues are resolved. Ensure that the measurable project's value was delivered and that there is a plan to maintain this value as the project is closed and transition to operations. Confirm that deliverables have been delivered and formally accepted by the customer. Verify that all costs have been charged to the project. Then ensure that close project accounts as well. Reassign or release project personnel. Address excess project materials. If there is any additional project material, then just assess it. Reallocation or release project facility, equipment, and other resources. Prepare final project reports and requirements. So there is some. Then comes contractual agreement in completion. Once as part of this, confirm formal acceptance of external resource works, external sources works. Finalize any open claims, guarantees, and warranties. Update the records to reflect the final results. Ensure all invoices due to external sources are paid. So all the invoices are paid and achieve relevant information for further use. Um, Resolve any dis- dispute that may arise or refer them to the dispute board. Then comes additional closure activities which one has to keep in mind during the closure phase. Collect and audit project or phase records. So auditing needs to be done about the project. Assess project success or failure, ensure what exactly is the whether it has the project has successfully delivered or there were challenges and it got failed. Manage knowledge sharing and transfer. Identify and document lessons learned. Archive project information for further organizational use. Transfer project product services or results to the next phase or to the production or operations. Collect suggestions for improving, updating organization policy and produces and forward them to appropriate it. Measure stakeholders' satisfaction. Verify that all contractual, regulatory, legal, social, and environmental obligations have been met. Then, as part of adaptive approach, the close project or phase process cen- centers or wrapping up all activities related to the release or iteration ensures the prioritized items are completed and the values are is delivered. So, as part of adaptive approach, complete a release or iteration in a adaptive project. Confirm that prioritized backlogs items are finished and that all acceptance criteria are met. Ensure that all deliverables have been reviewed and accepted by the stakeholders. Conduct a final review for or verify that all projects tasks are completed and that no outstanding issues remains. So there is just closure of the project, no outstanding issues are left. Knowledge transfer and retrospective. The following knowledge transfer and retrospective activity should be performed. Facilitate knowledge sharing in sessions to transfer insights and information among the team. Hold retrospective to reflect on the iteration and or release, identifying lessons learned and opportunity for improvement in future work. Discuss outstanding risk that should be accepted or transferred to subsequent iteration or release, plant and operation. So as part of adaptive approach also, we have to follow the closure of the product backlogs in a systematic way, whether we need to have a retrospective meeting or discuss with the acceptance based on the acceptance criteria. Okay, so that's what as part of governance model and the project management. One of the focus area of closing the project is in a certain process needs to be followed. Thank you.